Welcome back. I'll be showing you how to make Amla night cream that will help to improve skin quality, brighten the skin, and also good for anti-aging. So stay tuned. To make this Amla cream, I'll be making use of 1 tablespoon of Amla powder. Please check out my video on how to make Amla powder at home. Amla is rich in vitamin C, omega-3 fatty acid. It will help to hydrate, soften, and improve the skin quality. Going to be adding 3 tablespoons of rose water. Rose water will help to balance the skin natural oil, tone the skin, reduce redness, and hydrate the skin. So with a strainer, I'm going to strain. Making use of 1 tablespoon of glycerin. Glycerin will help to allow the skin to retain moisture, increase hydration, relieve dryness, and also soften the skin. I'll be adding some few drops of vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil will help to moisturize the skin, nourish the skin, make the skin smooth. It will help to soothe itchy skin and also to treat sunburn. So when I'm done adding the vitamin E oil, I'll mix to combine. I'll be making use of 3 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel will help to soothe sunburn, fake dark spots, moisturize, and slow signs of aging. So when I'm done adding, I'll mix to combine. Done mixing, I'm going to store the cream in a container. The Amla cream is ready. This cream contains vitamin C. It will help to moisturize the skin, help the skin to stay hydrated, and also improve the skin quality. This Amla cream will help to remove dark spots, brighten your skin, and also good for anti-aging. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.